Today I'm doing another wig review with DeWydress.com. This is one of the wigs that I picked up that they sent me. I'm doing the MLF260 Grace Bobby Boss Lace Front Wig. I already took it out the package, but this is the box that it came in, you know, the frame, whatever. And I picked this wig because it was just kind of like plain and like everyday, you know, like it's a plain everyday look. Every wig, well, majority of wigs come with little care instruction things. This one doesn't have the different, it does have the different colors that it comes in, but it doesn't show you, and it has like what the wig looks like in the front and in the back. And it comes in a lot of different colors, but mostly like plain like browns and everything. Why I picked this wig is because it comes with a 4x4 lace part, which means I could part it anywhere in this 4x4 part. So this is how it looks, and it's kind of like a closure. The 4x4 always looks a little bit smaller than an actual closure, but whatever. I do like that because it gives it some versatility, and also this lace does feel softer than the usual hard lace that I talked about. Like it doesn't feel, I think it feels just as soft as the last wig that I had on in my last video. This is what she looks like straight out of the box. She's kind of like a dark brown on top and a light brown on the bottom, but it kind of all blends in together. And I'm just gonna cut the lace, and then we could see like how she looks. This wig has 2 combs, 1 comb right here, so 3 combs, and it has adjustable straps like most wigs. So I'm just gonna put these adjustable straps like kind of close. I noticed this wig has like a lot of black dots in the front, like right here. And I'm just using a paddle brush just to kind of brush out the curls, just so I can see how I really look. But you know I love to use this brush, so I'm also going to take this brush and just brush out all the curls. So now I'm just going to like part it in the middle. And it has a nice parting in the middle. Can you guys see that? But the middle parting looks like real cute, real official. Of course, I'm just trying to figure out where I'm going to lay it down. Like, so this is how I ended up styling this hair. I kind of just put it in the middle and left these, whatever, just kind of pushed it back in the middle and whatever, just because it kind of looked old and matronly when I had it the other way, and I feel like this looks more like younger and, you know, whatever. I like this hair. I think it feels good. I think this color looks very natural. You know, it just kind of looks like an ombre, and it looks real realistic. I think the curls are nice. I kind of have the same criticism what I do with all wigs is I don't like when the curls start coming together and looking very fake, because that's not what happens with real hair. What happens is your curls kind of come together and they fall. I would say this hair is about 14 to 16 inches because it does come right here. It doesn't come any longer than that. So now this wig, she does look a little bit different in the picture. In the picture, her curls look a little bit more relaxed, and they look kind of relaxed here, but I feel like it's different. It looks a little bit more of a wave. I'm gonna try to straighten this. Oh, even on her, doesn't it look a little bit more like a wave than so curly? I don't know, it looks a little bit different, but I don't know, maybe that's the way that they styled it. This wig originally cost $69.95, which is pricey as hell. $70 for a synthetic wig. I might as well get some bundles, but it's discounted on DeWydress.com at $34.95, which once again is a steal. $35 for a wig. That's great. That's really all it is about this hair. Just a Swiss lace 4x4 silk base and safe heat styling. It doesn't say how hot you could heat up the curling iron to like style this hair, but I'm pretty sure it's 400 degrees. Pros of this wig, I like the color. The length is cool. You could style it in different ways because it has the 4x4 lace. and it has baby hairs. So I really like that about this wig. What I don't like about this wig only would be the knots in the front. They're really thick, so you could kind of see them, especially if you wear your hair backwards. But that could be fixed if you pluck them, or if you just cover them with some concealer or some powder foundation like I did up in the front. Don't really have any complaints about this hair. I'm not getting tangling or shedding. Don't forget to follow me on Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram. What else? I don't know what else. Make sure you guys follow me on all those things. That's where you guys see like when I first upload these wigs, when I first put them on, and just to see how I style them differently and how they look with my makeup looks. Make sure you subscribe to my channel and turn on the post notifications so that you can see every single time I post. I'm gonna leave all the information down below in the description bar, like where you can buy this wig on divatress.com, and you know, that's basically it. There's nothing more to say. So yeah, I'll see you guys on my last and final